there, I'm Miss Caroline and I work at the James Lee Community Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make a living seed necklace. What we're going to need for our supplies: a cup of water, some seeds. We have super dwarf wheat seeds, and a cotton ball, about 2 feet of yarn, and a small plastic jewelry bag. We have these supplies available. If you want to get the supplies from your local community center to pick up, you can email us at ncsconnects@fairfaxcounty.gov and let us know, and we will make sure that they have the supplies there for you to pick up. So all of this is available for you. And this little bag has a little hole punched in the top. So if you don't get these supplies, you can still find these little bags at a jewelry store, and you can put a little hole punch in the top. And I'll show you how we're going to do it. We're going to take our cotton ball into the water, make sure it gets thoroughly wet, and then squeeze it all the way out so it's not dripping wet. And then get your little baggie ready to go, because we're going to pop in our seed with our wet cotton ball. I'm going to pull one of these little seeds away, and I'm going to pick it up with my cotton ball right onto the top of it, and then I'm putting it right into my little jewelry bag. I'm going to seal that up. So now it's like a little terrarium. So it's going to keep it moist and warm, and you're going to be able to watch it grow as it's hanging around your neck. So you take your yarn, fold it in half, and with the little loop at the end, so here's my ends and here's my loop, I'm just going to push that through the little hole above the ziplock of the baggie. And then I'm going to thread the ends through that little loop. This is called a lark's head knot, and that will keep it nice and secure on the bag. Then I'm just going to tie a knot in the two ends, just like that. And there you go. It's ready to go, just like mine. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that it stays damp so that the seed can continue to do what it needs to do to germinate. So you can loosen up your little yarn when you're ready and open up your bag and poke your finger in there, and if it feels a little dry, just put a little bit of water, not so that it's up above the cotton ball, just a few drops to keep that cotton ball damp. Seal it up again and put it back on. And you will see after about 5 or 7 days that that little seed is going to start to germinate, and it will swell up. Then the little outside part of the seed will split apart, and you'll start to see roots and sprouts coming out. Now you can keep it in there for a good while as long as you keep watering it, but if you'd like, you may then plant it. Once it's got some leaves coming out, you may want to put it in a cup. You could use a yogurt cup, you could use a milk carton with a little bit of potting soil, and put the whole thing with the cotton ball right into that soil, and you'll be able to grow a wheat plant.